Hey, how's it going? There's an eclipse coming up August 21st. The most important thing is to learn how to safely look at the eclipse. Now, if you're in Cincinnati, Ohio, it turns out we'll be able to see a portion of it. It's going to start around 1 to 1:30, finish up around 5 o'clock. The peak of the eclipse will be probably right up between 2:20 and 2:30, just as people are getting out of school. The number one thing you're going to hear over and over on the news is to never, ever, ever look directly at the sun. You can burn and damage your retina in your eyes. There's very little blood vessels going through your eyes. That's why they don't repair very well, and you really have to be careful. So the number one thing, no matter what, don't ever look directly at the sun, even if you're wearing sunglasses or if it's cloudy. So how do we look at the eclipse? Here is one safe and easy way. Starts off with just a piece of paper, and what I did was I was able to fold it in half. Took a hole punch, made a little half of a hole right there. There's the hole in the middle of the paper. Now the next thing I'm going to do on a sunny day like today, if the eclipse were occurring, I would try to get this to form a shadow. So if you look right here, here's the shadow. I can do it on a white sidewalk or another piece of paper. You can move it in to get a sharper or more fuzzy hole. You want it nice and sharp. If I look down there, that hole right there is pretty much the sun. Now what you're going to see during the eclipse is you won't see the entire hole, you'll just see a small sliver, because the dark part is the moon actually passing in front of the sun. Now the peak should be around 2:20. Again, don't look directly at the sun. If you want to know more about an eclipse, don't forget to ask your science teacher. A couple of things that you're going to notice: it's going to get colder, it's going to get darker, weird kind of dark. And the animals might start to freak out a little bit by barking and chirping more, because they're going to wonder what's going on in the middle of the day, why it's colder and darker. That's one safe way to look at an eclipse. And don't be afraid to ask your science teacher lots of questions, because a great scientist always asks great questions. Thanks a lot and have a great day.